I have to present. Chad, write me a script. So hi guys, this is the hot pile of shit called quick collection that we have created over the past 10 weeks. This is the homepage where the user gets their meals of the day that they might have scheduled, cart summary, and some of the favorited recipes that they have saved. And today I want to eat pancakes, so let's search that up. So here I can save them and also add to cart. And I can go to the calendar to actually schedule it for this morning. Then it will show up here and also on the homepage where the user gets a reminder. And here are the added items for the ingredients and the favorited. So what was I saying? Chat.
So anyways, here's the creation part of our website. You can create a recipe card over here or import it from our website using this button. Once you create it, it'll show up over here. You can favorite the ones you like. And if you head over to shelf, it'll be displayed in an organized fashion. And if you head back, you can even create your own meals by selecting the ones you like. You can add a name like unhealthy and save. Save.
What code is this shit?
Isn't that you, buddy? No!
Some challenges we faced were that our group had a large, diverse amount of ideas that we all wanted to implement, lots of meeting conflicts, and integration due to individual features being built on assumptions.
So what are some of the things we overcame? Despite the chaos we pulled through, we overcame the class with no hate, just a healthy amount of respect for the emotional roller coaster and trauma. Deadlines came at us fast, but we made it, by which we mean we met them at 11:59 p.m. sharp, every single time. We survived off caffeine, hope, and last-minute bug fixes that magically worked. There were definitely some bumps in how our features came together, and communication wasn't always perfect. But over time, we found our rhythm, and piece by piece, it started to fall into place, and we avoided this mess. We came, we saw, and we conquered. Only our grades will tell. And you know what? Special shout out to the bugs that kept us humble. You're the real MVPs, but please don't ever come back again.
For things that we would do differently, we would add more tests as around half of our tests passed and the other half failed. And we would also start earlier as we were in a time crunch for most of the finals week and the final weeks of school. And we would be more instant about what we were doing as we were a bit uncoordinated.
My advice for future CSE 110 students is to start early, communicate well, use labs, and always ask for help.
Future advice for CSE 110 students is to get started as soon as possible, start early and start often. Make sure to communicate with your team. Let them know if you're not going to make it. Let them know all these things. Everything is about communication. Also,
Man, you want to give some advice?
Bro, just put my fries in the bag.